Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here, founder and CEO of Accounting to Scale. I want to start this video by saying thank you. Thank you to all of the frontline workers who have worked tirelessly during this pandemic to risk their lives while saving so many others. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is a question I've been asked by a lot of doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals that are traveling to other states for work. My understanding is that there's an amazing opportunity for these frontline workers to make a significant amount of money in areas in which there's a huge need for more healthcare professionals. This is an amazing opportunity to make more income, but it's very important that you also know the tax consequences related to working in a state that has state income tax. Many taxpayers don't know this, but if you are physically present in a state that has state income taxes, performing work and earning income, you are actually subject to the state income tax rates for that state. Many of you are being employed by some sort of staffing agency, and that staffing agency is paying you as a W-2 employee, and they are required to withhold the appropriate state income tax. When you file your tax return, you now need to file a state income tax return in any state that you worked in that has state taxes, in addition to filing your federal income tax. This can be something very new for a lot of taxpayers who have been living or located or working in a state that has no income tax, such as Texas or Florida. For example, if you're a nurse in Florida and you travel to Texas, you actually have no state income tax requirement in Texas because Texas is one of the few states, like Florida, that has no state income taxes. However, if you're a nurse who typically works in Florida and you travel to California, you now have a California state income tax requirement. You'll need to file two tax returns, a federal tax return and a California state tax return. Again, just because you don't plan to officially move there, the fact that you're temporarily working there still subjects you to that state income tax. When you file in a state, there are three positions you can take. You are either a full-year resident, a part-year resident, or what's called a non-resident. And getting the right CPA to help you with these tax implications is so important. And the great news is this is right up our alley. So please call our office at 305-503-2814 if you think you will be affected by state income taxes. If you have a financial term or topic you'd like us to discuss, please leave it in the comments below. We love your suggestions. Hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA, Tiffany Gonzalez.